illegal to take my picture.
No, it isn't.
Illegal to take my picture.
It's a public property.
It's illegal to take my picture. Personally, it is illegal. Did
No,
you get
it
any
isn't.
documentation I'm allowed you to take my picture?
No,
it's
but
not.
you're on public property.
No, I'm not. I'm
Therefore,
on
you
state
have no
property.
reasonable
I'm on state property.
You have no reasonable expectation of
Be quiet.
privacy. Can I have my phone?
Not yet. I got the camera. Bunch of number on us and do that. Gotta cover our ass.
He was on the highway post?
Yeah.
We have a reckless use of the highway by a pedestrian and creating a public disturbance. The very least.
That's a ticket.
2 tickets.
Yeah.
That's a ticket, 2 charges, yeah. It's 53, 181, something like that for...
I hit him with that. I give him a ticket for that.
I mean, we can hit him with creating a public disturbance. Right. Right. Yes, simple trespass. We do reckless use of the highway and creating a public disturbance. Yeah. All 3 are tickets. Yeah. For all 3 charges on the ticket.
In the backup, we have multiple people talking. They didn't want to stay. So we took our own. I ended up with a camera on my roof. Still on. It says. Over here. Back go. You're done.
Let's go.
This is yours, correct?
Yeah, he grabbed it from me.